grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lie. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive. Hey. It took all the strength I had not to fall apart. Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent oh so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me, somebody new. I'm not that chained-up little person still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping in and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my loving for someone else other than me. Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Was you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as
Alexa, play Hall of Fame.
Here's Hall of Fame by The Script, featuring will.i.am on Amazon Music.
Wow. Goku must have been training him a really long time. Look how far he's gotten. He's already leveled up onto Super Saiyan 3. Tonight we're drawing Super Saiyan 3 at Dragon Ball Super Broly. Yeah, I know you saw me draw the legendary Super Saiyan at Super Saiyan 3 multiple times. This is the Dragon Ball Super form for Broly Super Saiyan 3. Yeah? Just drawing something. Alright, so this is Broly's Super Saiyan hair. I think we should add the Super Saiyan Emerald aura that surrounds him. I really think we should call it Super Saiyan Emerald. And I really prefer it as Legendary Super Saiyan. Green is gonna... Green Super Saiyan hair. Now that's something you don't see every day. And here's the scar. Alright. Alright. One more thing. This episode is sponsored by Zola Bakes. I'm proud you all got to enjoy this episode. Please like, watch, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what fighter you want me to draw next. Just a reminder, this episode goes out to the creators of Dragon Ball Super. Hopefully we'll get to see Merno in the show. For real this time. Good night.